Hey, MACT Garage viewers, guess what? I got to work on my lawnmower. I was out mowing my yard in the ditch, and I hit some wire, and that wire was big and thick. I didn't see it, and it wrapped around the deck and the blades and everything else around inside the mower deck itself. So I have to drop the deck, flip it over, because I figure that's the best way to do it, and get that wire untangled. So first of all, we got to get that thing up to the driveway so that I can get it in front of the garage, so I can drop it on the concrete and get the deck out from underneath there. I'll show you how to unconnect it, and then we're going to flip it over. Who knows, I might even power wash it before I try to dig the wire out so I have something clean to work with. But yeah, got to mow the lawn, and I need this thing fixed. So the first things first is we have to unlock it and get it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and this is the beast. And this is how I get it off. Just drive off of it with these ramps, because I found that these ramps are the better way to do it. So let's go start this thing up, see what it does. Got full gas. See how much oil she's got. Oh yeah, nice and full. Just did an oil change on it, so I know it's full. Let's see if this thing will start. Yeah, it's too hot, so let's try it down here. There we go. Put the brake off. Drive off the ramp. There we go. Here we go. Head on up to the driveway, and we'll go ahead and get this deck off of here. Gotta open my gate first though. There we go. That's all we needed to do. Shut her off, lock the brake, and let's go ahead and get started on this deck. First things first, we want to drop that thing all the way down as far as it'll go. Give us better access. First things first, we got to pull this pin out. It's got a washer on there. We'll toss that up here up top, and then we have another pin back here that you can see. It don't want to release too easy. There you go. Get that one off of there, and get that washer off. There we go. Got that. That pulls right out like so. I set it by the rear tire. That way you know which one goes where. So we have those down. And then back here we have a pin for the deck activation. Pull that pin out, set it up, pull that out. Then you have a spring back here. That's sort of a U shape that you got to get out of there somehow. That ain't gonna let you get it out of there. There we go. And we set that off to the side back here. And that's pretty much it for back here. And then we got to do some stuff on the other side. But we do have the belt over here. So we'll take that belt, toss her off right there. And then we have another pin back here with another washer. Sometimes these are hard to pull out. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get that one out of there. There we go. We got a washer on that one. And that takes that off of there. Just put all these up top. Basically that goes up front, that goes the next one, that one goes to the back one, and then of course that goes to the other arm. So I got them in order right there for myself. One-handed no less. Let's do the other side. Again, you pull that pin out, put it up here. You got a washer. Pull that down. Then we have this pin right here. Pull that out along with the washer. Drop that thing off of there. Put it by the rear wheel. And we have disconnected the entire deck, folks. So now we're ready to pull it out. About as simple as it gets. It don't take long, and if you weren't holding a camera it'd probably take even less time. Now the idea is to pull this deck out. And see what in tarnation happened to it. Because I have no clue. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. That is in there. Holy cow. I'm gonna get me a pair of wire cutters. Now, it's a pretty tough wire. Now this is a flexible sewer pipe for a camper. I have no idea how it got in there, but It was laying in the ditch and it was tall grass, so I didn't see it. And I hit it, and I ended up with this mess. This wire will poke you too. Yep, look at that. Thinking maybe I'll take this off of here. That might make it easier. Pull that all off of there. We'll go ahead and pull this off, and that'll make access to the wire easier. That's really garbled itself up in there. Got to work it free, bit by bit. There we go. That was far easier taking that off. No harm, no foul. Guess what we can do is clean this deck up. I'll power wash it. Then we'll go ahead and put it back together. Throw all this garbage away. Power washing the deck. Let's get her cleaned up and get her put back on. Well folks, got it all put back together. Pins in there. Got that pin. And I got this pin back in along with the other side. Got that pinned. Remember those D-rings face backwards. And that one's pinned in. Like I said, that one is there. The belt is in within the guides on both sides. So all we have to do is test her out. Let's see if it works like it's supposed to. Oh yeah, I got this pin back in here and the activation hook back up with the spring. That's a little bit of a pain, but not much. A little D-ring thing. So once you get it in the hole, it's not a problem. And the pin's the same way. So anyway, got everything all hooked back up, so let's give her a test. Now let's activate the deck. There we go. Everything's working. Like a champ. Well folks, that's it. Taking the decks off pretty easy. If you don't have a camera in your hands, you can do it in probably 2 minutes. And putting it back together doesn't take much time either. In this case, you saw why I had to take it off, and did a little bit of maintenance, power washed it, cleaned it all up, so everything is good to go. Not hard, you can do it yourself. This is MACT Garage. Remember, like, subscribe, join MACT Garage on YouTube. Also, join up on Facebook, where we cover everything as far as automotive things go. And then, of course, you want to make sure you also take and join up a MACT Ford Edge. Yes, that's the parent group there. And what else? Band of One's got some great music. Mercy Girl's always got a couple one-liners. And my feet at the Ford today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.